yeah, we can continue creating this seat. So let's go to side view, hit the canvases. Perfect. Let's go to shading off here. Don't worry about the intersections, we're just gonna trim that out later on. I need a curve. So this time I'm not gonna be using key point curve toolbox. Rather than that, there is edit point curves here. If you double click on it, you can change the degree of the curves over here directly. Let's make it 1 and hit go, so that we can create curves. And later on we can, if I select curve, we can add more of the where is it? We can change the CVs of it. Oh yeah, over there. Sorry, because of the, we can change the CVs in here. We can add or remove, but right now we don't need to add since this is a straight wooden sheet. We only need one. So let's extend these a little back. Where is the extend tool? Extend this back a little and move up a little. I'm just gonna move them anyway on the Y and Z axis. This one as well. Yeah, nice. Rather than the extend tool, no worries. Okay, we need some sort of arc here, so let's create one more curve by holding down left click and free. Right now, if we add one more CV row, and instead of playing like this, we can of course position it, but the right way is come in here. Let me just Ctrl Z. Come in here, there is align tool under the object edit. Yeah, if I hit G1, this row will be aligning to that curve. Hit that one and the curve that you wanted to align, and right now you can play with it, or you can even add one more degree and change this manually, which I'm gonna do now. Okay, how am I gonna go back to that align tool? This has a history behind, so there is under the object edit menu on the left side, there is a query edit tool. If I hit this one and hit the object that has history behind, and the align tool pops up again, so I can control it in a better way. So I'm gonna pick this CV and move a little bit up and down, up and there. Query edit this one again a little bit. Yeah, not bad, not bad. We are close. We are close. Yeah, pretty much. And pick this curve. Let's close up the points to see in a clear way. I mean, we can of course change the layer color here. Let's make it, I don't know, red. So from now on we will be seeing red. The borders of the object will be seen red. So same thing here as well. Let's create a curve like that. Add one more CV. Align this one to that one. Yeah, nice. Let's pull this up a little. You see this follows. Well, I'm gonna This is smooth and nice. I'm gonna change that as well. Let's go there. Pick curve. Drop down 1 degree. And hit co-edit. Yeah, makes sense. Nice. This is better. So we have to place these curves in a better way. So let's go to the top view and let's pick these object, display invisible, so that we can see these curves in a more clear way. Let's move these to the right side. Almost there, right? Almost. It's just, yeah, I mean, slightly leaning to the left. It's so slight. Okay. Let's pick this curve. Since the alignment has history behind, I am gonna rotate this a little like that, and then we can do this either way. We can either do this, add one more CV row, do that. Let's consider this is right. Let's pick this curve, open up the CVs. This should be something like that actually, yeah. Okay, let's go to the left view. Let's go to top view. Well, how can we fix this a little bit in a better way? Who edited this one? Pick CV of this curve, move to the left a little. Yeah, we more or less traced over, yeah. Pick this CV, not this one, the other one. Yes, not bad. So what can we do next? We can do, I guess we can use draft tool. Since this is a straight surface, we can go for MS draft tool here. Double click on it. Select the curves first. Select the axis second on the y-axis. We don't need any angle. We just need length. Let's make it, I don't know, 50. Or we're gonna pull them back anyway. Hit build. So our surfaces is here. What I'm gonna do now, pick the CV, move Alt and middle mouse button, delete the history, no worries. And now we have our sheet and wood. Let's let's offset these. I can use, I guess, pick object tool, close up. Let's offset, double click on it, on that direction, distance, I don't know, 5, 6, 7, Yeah. And we can use, I'm just gonna hide curves. Now we can use skin tool between. You can either say pick nothing and go on, because if you, when you do pick nothing, it reverts back to the last and latest tool that you used, or you can hit next and oh, we have somehow we have copied surfaces. Let's get rid of them. Pick surface. Okay. These ones, yeah. I don't need this side. Okay. Let's delete locators and bring back our surfaces once again. Okay, nice. Open up canvas. Yeah, we are getting there. Come here, use text, map type, shade sky to bring back that lovely, hit F12 to bring back that lovely alias shader. Okay, we need to trim, yeah, trim these. But before, I'm gonna move this down a little just to visually make it correct. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now, in order to trim those surfaces, first there is, I'm gonna come here on the palette. There is which one? Yeah, surface edit option here. There is intersect tool under the project tool here. First, select the surfaces to be intersected. Yeah, this one, and hit go, and then select the target surfaces. Let's move these up a little. Yeah, and then come there. There is a trim tool. Let me just select this one and hide and select the other. Okay, you see the curve on surfaces over here. That means that these are the intersection line. We come there, trim tool, hit this surface once again. If this is blue, you gotta go say keep, hit this one, and I can slide this one or add more of them and do restart. And or if you hit there, this part you want it to be deleted, you go discard, and the next time I choose this is go to the turns to the red, it means this discard is selected. So this couldn't intersect it properly. Let me just move this slightly up, or let me just bring back the others. Select surface, intersect with this one, trim, keep. Now we don't have the rest. Now we don't have rest of the surfaces, but the thing is, let me just show you. I don't select it. if you select the surface that is trimmed and open up the CVs, you see CV layout is still there, but the surface finished there. So it means there is another tool. Ctrl Z doesn't work when you use trim. There is another tool which is untrim. Hold left click and hover down. You see untrim tool. If you select untrim and hit that surface, the rest of it will be brought back. Yeah, and trim it again. So once this is clear, let's continue. Display visible. I picked the cylinder and I hit intersect, and I select the rest of the surfaces that I want it to be intersected. Then I come there, trim, keep, and keep. Now I don't need this surface, so I can delete it. Yeah, you see? Okay, perfect. What do we have left? Yes, the arms and the back panel. Oh, there is a small cylinder over there as well. Let's just rapidly add a cylinder. I'm just gonna close the canvases and grid as well so that I can see. Okay, under the surface menu there is cylinder already there. Hit Alt and left click. Yeah, we can rotate that. We can rotate that and scale. Oh, scale a little bit more. I go to top view, shading off. Right click and yeah, place over there. Now it's kinda duplicated itself. I don't select. Let's go to top view. Open up the grid. Let's put a line. Alt and left click snaps on the grid. Okay, perfect. And I'm gonna this time use project tool. I'm gonna project this line onto this surface so that I trim. I select the object first and the curve second. You see there is curve on surface. This is called curve on surface, and which means this is projected. I'm gonna delete the half of it because it is duplicated already since we have the symmetry here. So I close that one, trim this one, keep, and I don't need this one, delete. You see, when I open the symmetry tool, yeah, we have what we need. Visible. Yeah, let's select this one, intersect with this one, and trim. I don't select the others. You see, trimmed areas is there. So Yeah, we do the same for this one. Intersect with this one, trim, so that our layout is clean. And I don't need these curves anymore. Let's delete them as well. Oh yeah. Let's create a skin tool here. Yeah, nice. Delete locators. Let's actually select all the curves and delete them. We don't need them anymore. And yeah. So I'm gonna duplicate this curve to there, and I'm gonna create a line between and circle. Now I'm gonna create square tool. I'm gonna use square tool to create one surface over there. It's sometimes hard to find surfaces. Or we can use skin tool. And we actually don't need half of it. Pick surface, or let's go to the left view, project, and trim. Yes. Let's get rid of these curves. Okay. And now let's create another curve. Or I'm just not gonna use that one. Instead, I will use edit point curve. There. Go to top view. Okay, this is roundy a little. So which means we can either, can we create this as such? Let me see. Let me just play with the CVs. Add one more row. Okay. Yes. Let's extend back this one. Or we can create one more like that. The mood there. Okay, I will use, I'm gonna pick CVs, all of them, move and right click, seems okay. Okay, I will use curve fillet here to understand what we have. This is too small. Maybe we can use 150. Let's go to top view now. Can use 300. Okay. Let's rotate this one. Query edit this one. Undo. And again. $250. Okay. Maybe we should extend this curve and go query edit to that. 300. Let's make it undo. 300 this time. Let's create trim type automatic. Get rid of the rest of the curves. Okay. I'm gonna be aligning G2, this curve, or G1, this curve to that. I'm gonna decrease the degree 3 and this to that, so that I can play with these manually to capture, yeah, in a better way. Nice. Now we can pick these curves, delete history, since we capture more or less the design intention over there. Set pivot here, copy and paste, move over there, and create skin between. I always find it hard to locate these two. Yeah, we don't need to continue. Okay, this is going not the direction that I want. Let's align. Where is this align tool? Yeah. To activate the history. Skin history is already there. So I'm gonna I don't need to see these CVs other than these. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. Okay. We are pretty much there. Okay, now I'm gonna use rail tool. Where is it? It's here. Select this one and that one. Oh, let me check. Make it one. Real curve. This one and that one. Parallel. Make it parallel. And this one and that one. And this one. And that one. This one and that one. Yeah. And I'm gonna use skin tool again. Nice. Okay, perfect. Maybe sloppy over here. How can we solve this one? maybe query edit. What if it's natural? Yeah, no worries. It's angular over there as well, you see. But we are in the wrong direction, I guess. So these curves a little bit lower than the other. Let's make it like that. The curve. Do we have history behind? Let me do query edit on this fillet. Yes, and then realign that edge to that curve. Pick these curves, go to the front view and lower them down. I'm gonna make this pivot there. Yeah, like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna extend this surface. First, let me just save that up. Yeah. I'm gonna pick object and delete history and extend this one. Yes. So, and extend like this. And the other edge like this. Okay, perfect. So what I'm gonna do, select these two surfaces. Let's make it none. Select these two surfaces, intersect. But before, I'm gonna need to align this surface. That one is G1. Okay. Pick surfaces, say intersect this one, this one, this one, that one, that one, this one, and select these two surfaces and that one, intersect with this one. Same goes here. No, this is already there. Okay, and hit trim. Okay, perfect. Lovely. So only one thing to consider here. I pick this one and hit I unselect it. We have many curve on surfaces, so I have pick curve on surface here to eliminate the curve on surfaces that we don't need. And since this is rotating all around, I'm gonna select this area. Oh, we've done something wrong. We've deleted one curve on surface that was supposed to be there. Let's make it visible. Now we're gonna untrim this one, pick curve on surface, delete, intersect with this, that. Now we delete that one. Pick object. Hide unselected. Trim. Hit here and discard. So yeah, we need rest of it. And make it visible. Let's go to the front view and select curves. Yeah, not bad, right? Not bad. And now we need that. Okay. Let's go to top view and shade off. Maybe it's even better to hide these ones. Let's create some curves. Move. Yeah. So I'm gonna pick this one, move, right click and control key. You see, this means we have tangency in between. Maybe we can, yeah. I'm gonna go to the front view, select this curve, move up and place as such. Yeah, and I'm gonna copy and paste this one here, a little bit more. Pick this curve, go to the top view, push that forward a little bit, and close up the, where is this? Oh yeah, close up the ends. Maybe we can extend back a little. Close up now. Yeah. Pick curve. This one, delete. Maybe I need to push this one like this. There. Push this one like this a little. Perfect. Create one more curve. Where is edit point curve tool? There, and square. Sorry. I always go to my hotkeys. Sorry for that. Square tool. Now this time I'm gonna pick one implied tangent, second, and the other one positional, but it doesn't do because we don't need enough CVs. Let's open up. We don't need in the middle. We need one CV row on the vertical side. Yeah, so let's shade that up. Okay. Only thing left is to apply those fillets. Let me see what we can do from there. Let's hide these curves. Invisible. Curve fillet. Curve fillet. Let's make it P2. 150. Ooh, that's even big. 25. Okay, we're getting closer. 20. Ooh, 30. Yeah, more or less. Nice. Same here. 25. Yeah. Okay, let's consider this is this gets the point. I'm gonna project these curves. Where is the project tool? Here. surface first, curves the second. And where is the trim tool? Say keep. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Nice. Bring back the other surfaces visible. Okay. Now we are intersecting with that one. It means we gotta push these guys like that a little. Maybe go top like that. Yeah. Okay. And let me bring back the canvas. Have a look at it one more time. Okay. Let's offset this surface. I've clicked the arrow. Pick surfaces. And hide and select. Close up the points. Yeah, let's use a skin tool between. Nice. Delete locators. Bring back the others. I'm gonna select these CVs, and I've opened up the CV layout by clicking this one, and we need to center the pivot first. Center pivot, Shift Control and middle mouse button, and then we should scale a little. And I'm gonna move pivot, Control and left click. Not right now again, scaling. Yeah. And this is pretty much it. And we need to close this cap by using this planer tool. Yeah. Yeah, we are there, guys. We only need to fillet these out and use some materials, and yeah, nice one. I guess this is it for the tutorial, guys, and thank you for watching until here. I hope you learned something. This is pretty much the basics. I found this chair on the internet and brought back here to develop with you guys together. Right now there is only one thing left, which is the small fillets. Maybe we should deep dive into that as well. Yeah, no big deal. Yeah, guys, I will be filleting only this area, and according to that you do the rest as a practice. So let's begin. Let me just first select the surfaces. Instead, select one by one. There is this chain tool here. Double click on it, activate as G0 and hit on one side. It selects the positional surfaces, and you can go on, hide and select it, and you have the whole body. Okay, so we need the transitional fillets first at this edge and at this corner. So in order to operate fillet tool, we can come here under the surface. There is a surface fillet tool, make it chord and G1, form factor leave it as 1, and select 2 of them. These arrows indicates which direction fillet will be bent. Hit build, and we have our fillets over there between. Is this, I guess there is a continuity issue over here. I will be aligning G1. Since we operated offset tool, offset sometimes breaks the tangency between. So I'm gonna align and align this one and that one. Perfect. So surface fillet tool again with this one. Okay, so I'm gonna, I don't know if we need it, but let me just select. Right now I'm selecting the sides first, let's say 3 mm, and then rest of the surfaces second, main ones, and hit build. Yeah, you see, easy peasy lemon squeezy. For here as well, I'm gonna pick all of the side surfaces and then the main surfaces. Since if you are not selecting these surfaces with like yellow and purple covering indicates, there might be tangency issue between the surfaces that you want to do fillet operation. If so, control the alignment first and then filleting second. Yeah, perfect. Let's delete locators and close up the if you hit F12, it just close up the model, or you can come here and hit this one. Yeah, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick this surface. So let's say I'm satisfied all of it. I'm gonna delete construction history. I have closed the toggled off the mirror from the layer, and I'm gonna edit, duplicate, mirror. So I have the complete object, and I go pick surface and hit Ctrl G, and now I have grouped them with Alt and N. Oh, supposed to be opening layer, but whatever. If you hit here, you can pop up a new layer and right click on it, assign that. Let's say seed part 1, and let's make it visible. So yeah, the other parts is there. And well, let me just fillet these guys out as well. Who cares? It was easy anyway. Save the profile, save your file all the time. Let's make it 10. Let's make it 5. Yeah, nice. Delete construction history, Ctrl G. Ctrl G. Okay. Let's make it unselected. Open up a new layer. Seed part 2. we have assigned, and make it ungroup several times. Pick surface, ungroup. Pick surface, Ctrl G. Okay, now it is grouped. Now ungroup it again because I forgot to duplicate or mirror. Pick surface, edit, duplicate, mirror. Now we can pick surfaces and group them again. Perfect. Visible, let's make it. What do we have left? Oh. Oh no. Make it ungroup several times. First, pick object and both pick surfaces. Pick surface, assign them to the other layer, Ctrl G. Now it's grouped. Nice. It sometimes does that. So we have left with these. Yeah. Let's fillet them up. Let's make it 3. Let's untrim this because it is trimmed. It doesn't operate well. I always lost these tools. Yes. Fillets. Wait. Let's do all edge align so that it trims, yeah. Otherwise it didn't trim. Nice. You see, it indicates there is no tangency between. Before I gotta do a line. Okay, I'm gonna untrim this half cylinder, and I'm gonna trim convert, which means trim convert operation will delete the unwanted part and create a new CV structure, and we can delete this one and realign because you cannot align trimmed surfaces. Now let's fill it again. Now it's selected smoothly. Boom. Let's leave it hard edge for this tutorial. Yeah, we gotta untrim here again. Untrim one more time and hit project, normal selected, this corner and that corner. Right now we are projected that, and trim once again, discard. So now we have this sides closed. Where is this fillet between? Oh, why did you go there? project, normal selected. Now trim, keep. Yeah, nice. Okay, part 1, part 2, and let's say these are the part 3. Pick surfaces. We are missing something here as well. Pick surfaces. Delete construction history. Delete locators. Ungroup several times. Pick curves. Delete. Ungroup several times. Pick surface. Ctrl G. Now we have seat part 3. Let's make it mirrored. Ctrl G again. Yeah. Let's color the layers. Yes, nice. Some layer correction. Okay. Now we have reached to the level where all the edges are clean. We got the design intention pretty much. It is, yeah, ready for render. Nice. Nice and smooth. Let's save the file. And thank you guys for watching until here. And this was the beginner tutorial, and I hope you can manage to reach at this level, because I was explaining everything one by one with this default preference setting. And so maybe if you feel comfortable with this, you can jump on the mid-level mouse modeling tutorial, which is a little bit harder than this one. And then we have advanced level car modeling tutorial too. And check out my thoughts on new version of Alias, about the new updates. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.